Alright, this is the one, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo with the RC2 controller. If you've been following drone tech this year, you already know this is the real deal. Because this right here is the first sub 250 gram drone in history to pack a 1-inch camera sensor. Now let's get into it. The Fly More combo comes with this sleek shoulder bag, which is compact and padded and fits everything in the kit. First thing out of the package is the DJI RC2 controller, built in with a 5.5-inch touchscreen display. You don't need your phone. The 04 Plus transmission system gives you a range of up to 21 kilometers, so signal strength is never going to be a problem. Included with the Fly More combo, you get extra propellers, which I've heard are easier to replace with the Mini 5, a set of ND filters, which I highly recommend using if you're shooting in D-Log-M. Now here's the intelligent flight battery. The Fly More combo comes with 3 standard versions, 2700 milliamp hours, and it gets you up to 36 minutes of advertised flight time. But in a real world, expect about 20 to 25 minutes before your return to home kicks in. And here it is, the Mini 5 Pro. When folded up, it's shockingly small. A 1-inch 50 megapixel CMOS sensor in a drone that weighs 250 grams. A few years ago, you would have only found drones 3 times the size and 5 times the price. The Mini 5 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle sensing with a LiDAR system, which means it can detect and avoid obstacles even in the dark. As I unfold it, you see the full 225-degree gimbal rotation, meaning this thing could do a true vertical shooting natively, perfect for reels and TikToks without cropping. Equipped it with a 1.8 aperture, this lens is going to give low light shots and real depth of field. So here you have it, the full DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo unboxed. Flight testing and full review is coming next. I'm going to push this sensor to the absolute limits. If you don't want to miss that, hit the bell, drop a comment, and let me know what you want to see out of this drone.